Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to log in to the Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Next, tap on the Sign In button to start the login process. Enter your Google account email address and tap Next. Now, type in your password and tap Next to continue. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once verified, you'll be logged in and ready to explore the Play Store. Thank you for watching. You are now logged into the Google Play Store.